Okay, so typically when you conjugate verbs in Spanish, each person has a different ending, right? So let's say, for example, gustar, right? So if you were to conjugate it like the way you learn to conjugate verbs, you would do it like this. So yo gusto, tú gustas, etc., right? But gustar is a different verb, okay? You conjugate it differently, okay? So that doesn't work, okay? All right, so no, so that's not how you do gustar. You do it differently, okay? So this is how you conjugate gustar. And this is from the handout. I just edited it a little bit, I just added a few things, but this is basically the same handout that it's on my website, okay? Under chapter 2. Okay, so with gustar, okay, you have two different parts. The part over here and the part over here, okay? So for example, instead of doing the whole yo gusto, tú gustas, etc., you're not gonna change the ending of gustar, okay? Gustar is either gonna be gusta, okay, right here, okay, right here, or the ending is gonna be gustan, right there, okay? You just add an N, okay? And then the subject is not gonna be yo, tú, él, no, it's going to be what you see right here, okay? So for example, if you want to say I like, you say me gusta or gustan. If you want to say you like, you say te gusta or te gustan, etc. Okay? So never say yo, tú, él. Like for example, if you say yo me gusta, that's wrong. You don't use the yo, tú, él, okay? Okay, so that's that. And then how do you choose? So if you want to say I like, right? It's either me gusta or me gustan. So how do you choose gusta or gustan? It depends on what comes after. Okay? So if it's followed by a verb, it's gusta. If it's followed by more than one verb, it's still gusta. And if it's followed by a noun, okay, like el fútbol or la playa, the beach or whatever else, then it's still me gusta or gusta, okay? Now, when do you use gustan? When it's followed by either a noun that's plural, right? So, for example, los libros, right? The books. Instead of the book, it's the books, it's plural, so you use gustan. Or when it's followed by more than one noun. So, for example, if you were to say, I like the house. Okay, the house, right? That's a noun. And that's singular. It's just one. So you say, me gusta la casa. But if you were to say, I like the houses, right? It's a noun, but it's plural, the houses. Then you say, me gustan las casas. Okay? And that's how it works. So I'm giving you some examples here, right? So you're saying, I like the car. So whatever it is that you like, so I like is me gusta, right? Or it could be me gustan too, right? But in this case, gusta. Why? Because it's followed by the car, just a noun, right? And it's singular, just one. See? Or we like the house, same thing. Nos gusta la casa. But for example, here, you're trying to say, so you like the house and the car. So you have more than one noun that's being liked. So you would say, so you like, te gusta, or te gustan. In this case, it's going to be te gustan, because it's more than one noun, la casa y el coche. Or here, they like the houses. Les gustan las casas. Why? Because it's a noun that's plural. Okay. And if it's followed by a verb instead, like here, I like to sleep, then just gusta. Okay. And then the verb. Okay. For example, when you translate these two sleep, these two has no translation. Okay. So me gusta dormir. Or even if it's followed by more than one verb, you still use gusta. See? She likes to sleep and to read. Le gusta dormir y leer. So don't get these two confused. If it's followed by more than one noun, like here, you're using gustan. But if it's followed by more than one verb, or one verb, either way, it's just gusta. Okay. One thing I forgot to mention. So when you're using gustar, so you do me gusta, te gusta, right? I like, you like, etc. But sometimes you have to specify the person, right? So if you say I like, it's I, right? You like, it's you. We like, a lot of times implied. But with third person, so for example, if you want to say Connor, if you're specifying the person, Connor likes the car. So he likes the car, right? Le gusta la casa. But you have to specify Connor. So what you do is you put an a before the name, and then just the regular structure, okay, o gustar. So you see, I like the car, me gusta el coche. But Connor, that's a name, right? Likes the car. Then you have to put a, and then Connor, and then le gusta la casa. I mean, el coche, sorry, that should be el coche.